Yeah, hi again. This is Sirisha, BFSA trainer from Prospiders, Punjagutta. So as we announced, the first batch of students got placed in one of the company, and we have a student, Miss BUSHRA, and we will talk to her and we will find what is her experience from institute and what made her to crack this interview. So hi BUSHRA.
Hi.
Yeah. So please introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. I am BUSHRA. I am from Eluru, AP. I completed my degree BA HEP. I am from non-technical background.
Okay, so yes, okay. So who introduced this Prospiders Institute
My
to
brother
you?
referred this Prospiders, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the first batch to start Prospiders.
Okay. So earlier he is also student of.
No, ma'am. He is a job employee, ma'am.
Okay.
He see the how the students will train for the Prospiders.
Okay.
That's why they are different.
Okay. Good to hear. So yes, like coming to your interview, you have attended interview and you got placed. So what made you to pass this interview? What made you What is your experience? Can you share?
Yes, ma'am. My experience is daily I in the classes. I refer the notes and through my presentations, role plays, and they helped me to crack the interview.
Okay, good to hear, Bushra. So, is there anything else that you're benefited how the classes went? What is your experience in the classes? How we have trained you? Can you please share?
Ma'am, daily conduct the presentations. This helped me to can improve my communications and clear how to crack the interviews and how to attend and how the bank culture will be, how we join bank, how we benefit in bank, and ma'am teach us.
Okay, so good to hear, Bushra, from you.